Binance Review 2025. Is it really the #1 crypto exchange for traders? Let's be real for a second. Everyone in crypto has heard of Binance. It's the biggest name, the most volume, the all-in-one ecosystem. But here's the question. Is Binance really the best exchange for traders in 2025? Or just the most hyped? Because whether you're flipping altcoins, stacking SATs, farming, or just DCAing Bitcoin, choosing the wrong platform could cost you more than just fees. It could wreck your entire strategy. So in this video, let's break it all down. What Binance is doing right, where it still falls short, and whether it's the right move for your capital this year. Security and trust, the non-negotiables. Binance has been through fire and survived. From regulatory heat to security breaches, they've built resilience that other exchanges dream of. Key security features include 2 FA+ device alerts, withdrawal whitelist, cold wallet reserves, and SAFU, a user protection fund that's actually been used when sh*T hit the fan bottom line. You don't get to billions in daily volume without handling trust right. Deposits and withdrawals. Can you get your money in and out? Binance makes it ridiculously easy to fund your account, no matter where you are. Support for over 60 fiat currencies. 2P marketplace in dozens of countries. Bank cards, wire transfers, Apple Pay fast crypto withdrawals, and cheap, depending on the coin. Whether you're in Europe, Asia, LATAM, or Africa, Binance is likely your best on-ramp. UX for traders. Clean or cluttered? Binance has evolved, and it shows. Light mode for DCA users or casual investors. Pro mode with advanced charting, order types, and cross-margin trading. Clean, responsive mobile app that mirrors the desktop suite. Native multi-language support. If you're serious about crypto, you'll find everything you need. Just don't try to explore it all on day one. It's a rabbit hole. Features that actually matter. Binance is not just an exchange. It's a toolkit for multiple crypto strategies. Spot and margin trading. Futures with up to 125x leverage. Binance Earn. Flexible or locked staking. Launch pool. Liquidity farming. Copy trading and bots. Rolling out to more markets. Binance Launchpad. First access to early-stage tokens. It's the kind of platform that grows with your skill set. Fees. Let's talk numbers. Here's where Binance still dominates. Spot trading, 0.1%. Futures, as low as 0.02% maker, 0.04% taker. Pay fees with $BNB, 25% off. Zero fee BTC trading pairs at time of writing. Most fiat deposits via P2P are fee-free. It's cheaper than Coinbase, faster than KuCoin, and way deeper in liquidity than Bybit. Where Binance falls short. No platform is perfect. Here's the honest take. KYC can be a pain depending on your country. Regulatory restrictions in the US, Canada, UK, you'll be redirected to Binance US or face feature limits. Sometimes too many updates roll out at once, which can confuse casual users. Customer support has improved, but can still be slow in peak times. So yeah, it's powerful, but not frictionless. Binance is actually for active spot traders, yield farmers and airdrop hunters, serious DeFi users who want access to Launchpool and Launchpad traders, who value liquidity, speed, and global reach. Users outside the US, UK, and highly restricted zones. Not ideal if you're in a restricted country, or if you're looking for a fully decentralized experience. Final thoughts. So, is Binance still the #1 crypto exchange in 2025? Yeah. For most traders, it still is. It's not perfect, but it delivers where it matters. Trust, fees, access, features, and scale. Just don't treat it like a playground. Use proper risk management, and know when to zoom out. Ready to start? If you're thinking of trying Binance, check the link in the description for a sign-up bonus plus trading fee discount for new users. And if this review helped you out, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Stay sharp, stay liquid, and I'll catch you in the next one.